G'day, it's Weedy here. How's it going? Did you know that it's International Naked Gardening Day today? Well, it is. How about that? You can even let your hair out on a day like today. It all started in the spring of 2005. Somewhere in Seattle, someone had the brilliant idea to merge two of life's purest pleasures, nature and nudity. Ooh. Thus was born International Naked Gardening Day. It's held annually on the first Saturday of May every year. And yes, that's today. It was originated in Seattle, which is the beginning of spring. Well, the days are getting longer, the sunlight's warmer, and let's face it, your bones could use the vitamin D. But here in Australia, it's autumn, so it is getting a bit cold. More sun means more skin. More skin means more freedom. More freedom means, well, no tan lines. Now listen, if you got neighbours, be respectful. But me, where I live, the closest neighbour is a wallaby, and he doesn't judge much. There's something deeply human and kind of gorilla-like about being outside, naked, with your hands in the dirt. It's primal. It's peaceful. It's possibly illegal in some municipalities. So, what do you do on Naked Gardening Day? Well, exactly what you normally would do, just, you know, naked. It's not about being seen, it's about feeling. The sun on your back, the soil under your feet, the breeze reminding you you're alive, and a little bit cheeky. So today, join in, or don't. But remember this, life is short. Clothes are optional, and your tomatoes don't care what you're wearing. Happy International Naked Gardening Day, folks.